China has understood that India's economy is on its knees. China can see that every single action of the Indian government is designed to strengthen 5 or 6 big business people and weaken India's real strength, the laborers, the workers and the weavers. I can guarantee you that if India's laborers, if India's farmers, if India's weavers were strong, were protected, were given opportunities, China would never dare to come inside India. I will go one step further. I can also guarantee you that if India's farmers, laborers, small and medium businesses were strong, then the president of China would be wearing a shirt made in India. And I can guarantee you that Chinese people would be driving Indian cars, that Chinese people would be flying in Indian aeroplanes, that Chinese houses would have Indian carpets. Why is this not happening? Because our government is insisting on helping 5-6 of India's richest business people and killing and destroying India's true strength. You are using the Indian Army, the Indian Navy, the Indian Air Force to protect India from China. If you use India's laborers, India's farmers, India's workers, you will not need the Army, Navy and Air Force to be standing over there. China will not have the guts to come inside.